Hello guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and today is May 9th and I'm back with Geography MCQs. So this is me Divya taking Geography MCQs today, and as you know this initiative of ours is very much people are really liking it, and if you want to receive these if you want to continue such initiatives, please like and share these videos. And now let's get started. So the first MCQ says consider the statements regarding Silk Route, right? So the first statement says Silk Route is an early example of long distance trade connecting Rome to China. The route was stretched around 12,000 kilometers. The trade across this route included majorly luxury items. So which of these statements are correct, that you have to tell. Options given are 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3 means all of the above. So you know the drill, pause the video, think about the answer and write your answers in the comment section, and do write your scores as well, right? So the answer is B actually. So the Silk Route is an example of long distance trade connecting Rome to China. This is correct, but the length, it is actually 6,000 kilometers, not 12,000. And the traders transported Chinese silk, Roman wool, precious metal, and many other high value commodities, means luxury items, right? From intermediate points like India, Persia, and Central Asia. Now the second MCQ, large stock farms found especially in United States where animals are bred and reared on a commercial scale. So which of the following options describe this statement, the above statement. So the options are A rick, B mangerie or menagerie, whatever you want to pronounce, C ranches, and D harrow. So let's see the answer now. Answer is C, ranches. So this one is taken from the NCERT. So you have to remember this. So the large stocks farms usually fenced in which animals are bred and reared on a commercial scales, and these are especially found in United States, right? Now let's get moving. Third MCQs. So which of the following correctly describes fazenda? So your options are rubber plantation in Indonesia, coffee plantation in Brazil, banana plantation in Mexico, cocoa farming in West Indies, right? So now let us see the answer. Fazenda, so it is a coffee plantation in Brazil, right? So this is also from NCERT and you should be thorough with it. Now the fourth MCQ, which one of the following types of industries produce raw materials for other industries? So which of the industries industries produce the raw material for other industries? Options are basic industries, B footloose industries, C small scale industries, D cottage industries, right? Now let us see the answer. It is A, basic industries. So basic or key industries are those which supply their products or raw materials to manufacture other goods. Example, iron, steel, copper smelting, and aluminium smelting. And small scale industry, as you know, in which process of manufacturing small, for production servicing are on smaller scale. And footloose industry, where the industry cannot be placed and located at a location and it can be moved, right? And cottage industry, it is basically family type, it can be operated by individual or a family. Okay, now let us move ahead, and we have reached the final MCQ. So which of the following can be categorized under technopolis, right? So technopolis, options, the names of the city or the region is given. So Edmonton and Anchorage, and B Kobe Osaka region, C Silicon Prairie in Ohio, and D Silicon Forest near Seattle, right? Now let us see. So it's D Silicon Forest in Seattle. So there is not just Silicon Valley in near San Francisco. There's also Silicon Forest, and the C option is actually a joke. It is it is not there. Okay, so high-tech industries which are originally concentrated, self-sustained, and highly specialized, these are called technopolis. and Silicon Valley near San Francisco, as I said, and then Silicon Forest near Seattle are some of the examples of the technopolis. So with this, we have completed today's MCQs, and tomorrow we'll be back with another set of 5 MCQs, and hope you guys are being consistent. So let's wind up. Thank you.